Okay, I woke up today and I decided I need a transformation. I want dark, long Kylie hair, and I'm gonna get it. And it's perfect because my wig just came in. We are not ready for this one. I'm so excited. So this one is 30 inches, which is pretty damn long. And it's 200% density, which means she's thick. And a lot of you told me to get a wig comb, so I got it. So I'm gonna fully install it. First, we're gonna do some Dutch braids. If you watch a few of these, you know how much I hate braiding my hair. It's so boring. I can't. I'm gonna skip braiding this one because you know what I'm doing, okay? Now I'm gonna get rid of the baby hairs because I don't want the wig glue to get on them. My hair is all pinned up and it's time for the cap. You guys always ask me about them. I get them on Amazon. And these are for one-time use. Putting these on is my absolute favorite. Oh my god. How am I not ashamed to look like this on the internet? Now it's time for the glue. I also get questions about this. I got it on Amazon and this one is the best glue I tried. If you know a good glue, please recommend it in the comments. Usually I just go close to my hair and also I do 2 layers. And I always use something to press the glue into the cap. It just makes the hold a lot better. We are going to dry the glue. Always wait for it to dry. Don't just start cutting it, you know. Not me talking like I'm a wig expert. And I started cutting the cap. As you can see, I have a lot of space here. So I just pull it a little bit and then I cut it. Because you want this to be nice and thin. Also, please correct me if I'm saying something wrong. Almost done. And I had a little oopsie here, but it doesn't matter. Just a teeny tiny bit of glue, just to be sure. Now for the wig. I should bleach the knots, but I'm not doing that today. Please give me some not bleaching advice in the comments. And here she is in all her glory. Looking a little cray-cray. Now, I think I want to keep the middle part. I know I can change it with the comb, but I don't feel like it. Applied a little bit of glue again, and I glue it down real good. And cut the lace. It actually looks super duper good, even though I didn't bleach the knots. Putting some concealer in the hairline and using this kind of little tool, I think it looks okay. This concealer is the best because it's full coverage. Okay, so I changed my shirt so you could see how long it is. I personally don't like how this is styled, so I'm gonna iron it and then I'm gonna curl it again. Okay, I'm gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna get back to you with the finished product. And this is the finished wig. I just want to show you how long this wig actually is. Oh my god. It's super nice. You can run your fingers through it. It's super soft. I mean, what the heck? What do you think? Because I love it.